myself Nagina Major, your bioteacher. Children, today we are going to discuss the topic class Amphibia. So let's start it. Amphibia is a class of the organism of vertebrates. These are vertebrates. So these animals are aquatic in their larval stage and in adult stage they are terrestrial. Means they live on land. This is the special feature of class Amphibia. Means the organism that belongs to class Amphibia. This is the very special feature. And these animals are amphibious in nature. ये जो organisms होते हैं ये amphibious होते हैं. Means these animals can live on land as well as on water. They are cold-blooded animals. Children, what is the meaning of cold-blooded animals? Means cold-blooded animals, they do not have a fixed body temperature. इनकी body का कोई fixed temperature नहीं होता है. Like human beings, birds, or the mammals, we are warm-blooded animals because we have a constant body temperature. हमारी body का एक constant temperature होता है 98.6 Fahrenheit और in Celsius scale it is 37 degree Celsius. So we are warm-blooded animals. So these animals are cold-blooded animals. Skin is smooth and without scales. Like fishes, in fishes we have studied that fishes have scales on their body. Fishes में उनकी body में scales होते हैं. But these animals they do not have scales. Their skin is smooth and skin has mucus glands. Mucus glands which secrete mucus. And these are egg-laying animals. And children, one more important thing here I would like to tell you about mucus glands. Mucus glands secrete mucus which keeps the skin moist. Mucus से की skin moist रहती है, numb रहती है. And these are egg-laying animals. And these animals have three-chambered heart. इनका heart three-chambered होता है. And respiration takes place through gills, lungs, or skin. Some of the animals they have gills, and some of the animals they respire through lungs or skin. And I told you about it already that they have three-chambered heart. And the examples are salamander, toad, hyena. Hyena is also called tree frog, and rana tigrina. Rana tigrina is a common frog. देखिए जो rana tigrina है frog, ये जनरली हमें मॉनसून में देखने देता है और इसकी जो स्किन होती है बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ होती है. एंड ये टोड, बेटा जो हम लोगों के घरों के आसपास जो फ्रॉग रहता है छोटा सा आपने देखा होगा तो थोड़ा सा डरावना दिखता है, दैट इज टोड. एंड फ्रॉग इज डिफरेंट. Salamander, toad, hyena and rana tigrina, which is common frog, are the examples of the organisms that belongs to class Amphibia.
Children, these are the examples of amphibians: salamander, toad and common frog, जिसका scientific name है rana tigrina, and hyena, which is called tree frog. So we have completed class Amphibia. Now we are moving towards class Reptilia. Reptilia is a class in which the animals have dry skin covered by epidermal scales. देखिए रेप्टिलिया में जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, जो एनिमल्स हैं, उनकी स्किन ड्राई होती है और ये एपिडर्मल स्केल से कवर्ड रहती है. These animals are cold-blooded and they have scales on their body and they breathe through lungs. देखिए ये जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं ये भी कोल्ड-ब्लडेड एनिमल्स हैं. इनकी बॉडी में एपिडर्मल स्केल्स होते हैं और ये लंग्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं. Their skin is dry, rough and without glands. इनकी जो स्किन होती है बहुत ड्राई होती है, रफ होती है और उसमें ग्लैंड्स नहीं होते हैं. And most of the reptiles they have three-chambered heart, but crocodile has four-chambered heart. देखिए ज़्यादातर जो रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं उनका थ्री-chambered heart होता है, लेकिन क्रोकोडाइल का हार्ट फोर-chambered होता है. These are egg-laying animals and their eggs are covered with tough covering. Children, we have studied that amphibians are also egg-laying animals, but their eggs are not covered by a tough covering. While in reptiles, in class Reptilia, organisms they lay eggs and their eggs are covered by a tough covering. जो इनके eggs होते हैं ये एक टफ कवरिंग से प्रोटेक्टेड रहते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दे डू नॉट नीड टू ले देयर एग्स इन वाटर, अनलाइक एम्फीबियंस. देखिए जो एम्फीबियंस होते हैं इनके एग्स बहुत सॉफ्ट होते हैं और इसीलिए ये अपने एग्स वाटर में ले करते हैं. जबकि जो रेप्टिलिया है, रेप्टाइल्स के एग्स एक हार्ड कवरिंग से प्रोटेक्टेड रहते हैं और इसीलिए ये पानी में एग्स ले नहीं करते हैं. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द रेप्टाइल्स दे लिव इन वार्मर रीजन्स. जो रेप्टाइल्स हैं ये ज़्यादातर गर्म एरियाज में रहते हैं, गर्म जगहों में रहते हैं ज़्यादातर, बट नॉट ऑल द रेप्टाइल्स. एंड दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर लंग्स. एंड देयर एग्जाम्पल्स आर टर्टल, chameleon, king cobra, flying lizard or draco, and house wall lizard or hemidactylus. So children, reptiles, they are cold-blooded, they have scales on their body, they breathe through lungs, and most of the reptiles have 3-chambered heart, but crocodile has 4-chambered heart. And they lay eggs which are protected by a hard covering. That is why they do not lay their eggs in water. Now children, the next group about which we are studying is aves. Aves is a class of warm-blooded vertebrates and they have forelimbs which are modified into wings and their body is covered with feathers. Aves में जितने भी organisms हैं they all are warm-blooded vertebrates और जिनमें जो forelimbs हैं are modified into wings. इनके forelimbs wings में modified होते हैं. Their body is covered with feathers और जो इनके jaws होते हैं ये beak में modified होते हैं. Birds are the flying animals having exoskeleton of feathers. Birds flying animals हैं and they are warm-blooded animals because they have a constant body temperature. Just now we have studied that the forelimbs of birds they are modified into wings and their hind limbs they are adapted for walking, running and perching. और ये अपने hind limb की help से चलते हैं, रन करते हैं और पर्च करते हैं. किसी पेड़ पर जब ये किसी पेड़ की डाली को बैठ करके पकड़ते हैं, that is called perching. So their hind limbs helps them to walk, run and perch. And their body is covered with feathers. इनकी जो body होती है वो feathers से covered रहती है. These animals breathe through their lungs. इनमें respiratory organs lungs होते हैं. And their heart is 4-chambered. इनका हार्ट भी 4-chambered होता है जैसे हम लोगों में होते हैं. हार्ट हैज़ 4 chambers, 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. सेम ऐसे ही बर्ड्स में भी हार्ट 4-chambered होता है. Aves do not have jaws. Instead of jaws, they have beak because their jaws are modified into beak. And these are oviparous animals. Birds also lay eggs. All birds fall in this category. Means all the birds they belong to class aves. And their examples are white stork, ostrich, sparrow, pigeon, crow. जितनी भी birds हैं वो सभी class aves से belong करती हैं. They all fall in this category. Now children, the next group about which we are studying is class Mammalia. Mammalia is a class of warm-blooded hairy vertebrates having mammary glands in the females. Class Mammalia में organisms warm-blooded होते हैं. They have hair on their body and they have mammary glands in the females. Mammals are the most advanced group of animals with a very well-developed brain. देखिए mammals जो हैं ये सबसे ज़्यादा developed है organisms और इनका brain भी बहुत ज़्यादा developed होता है. Mammals maintain a fixed body temperature. Therefore, they are warm-blooded animals. और जितने mammals हैं उन सभी की body का एक fixed temperature होता है. इसीलिए इन्हें warm-blooded animals भी बोला जाता है. And their body is covered by hair. Mammals की body में hair present होते हैं. Their body is covered by hair. And the females have mammary और मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड्स. देखिए मैमरी ग्लैंड्स को मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड्स भी कहा जाता है. दे आर द ओनली एनिमल्स विच नरिश देयर यंग वंस विद मिल्क And a very special feature of mammals is presence of oil glands and sweat glands, which are present in their skin. Most of the mammals are viviparous, means they give birth to their young ones. But platypus and echidna, they lay eggs. These are egg-laying mammals. देखिए ज़्यादातर mammals viviparous है, means they give birth to their young ones. लेकिन echidna और platypus, these are egg-laying mammals. And kangaroos, they give birth to very poorly developed young ones. And these young ones are nourished in mother's pouch. देखिए कैंगरूज जो है ये बहुत ही पुअरली डेवलप्ड यंग वंस को बर्थ देता है और ये जो यंग वंस होते हैं दे गेट नरिशमेंट इन मदर्स पाउच. देयर एग्जाम्पल्स आर कैट, ह्यूमन, रैट, वेल्स एंड बैट्स. देखिए वेल्स भी मैमल्स की कैटेगरी में आती है एंड बैट्स आर ऑल्सो मैमल्स.